Hi, my name is Mark, and I'm going to show you how to use the content editor in our website. The content editor, we use it for either editing an organization profile or uh, adding campaigns, projects, uh, even donation pages, special donation pages. You always use the same content editor, and the editor itself works very much like Word. So what I have done over here is actually created some content, as you can see in Word, and I'm just going to copy it, and I'm going to move it over to the content editor in our website. So when you come to our website, you log in by clicking over here. The sample account is called support at amitatech.org. The password is not a secret. Um, you won't be able to do a whole lot in that account, uh, but if you log into your account, you'll be able to see everything that you need. I'm going to use the link over here. This is the dashboard that tells you some information about your organization. I'm going to use the content link over here, but if you're a campaigner, then you're going to have the campaign link, campaigns link, and when you click on that, you'll get to the campaigns. You select the campaign, and you will see a very lookalike page like this one for the content. Um, as you can see in this page, the content page, I already entered information in 5 different languages, and I'm going to show you how to add the content for the English language. And over here, you have to put the charity name, or in the case of a campaign, the name of the campaign. I'm going to use Amitatech, and the address over here is 42 Jabotinsky Road, Ramadan. A teaser is what the visitors at TourNetNet will see when they're looking for your organization. So they do a search, they get search results, and they will see the teaser and the image, the organization image, which you upload over here. Um, I'm going to actually show you very quickly over here. You can select text, you can make it bold, italic, strike through, nothing at all. You can select the text to be heading 1 or heading 2. You can select the styles, italic. You can do pretty much anything that you can do in Word. Okay. Uh, if you need to make bullets or numbers, click on those buttons over here. I can select this and turn it into numbers. Um, if I want to indent less or more, um, I can go back. Whatever you can do in Word, you can do also over here. Now, since you don't have the content for this page, we give you some instructions and some explanations on what you should be putting in this content editor. Uh, go through it, make sure that you understand, and then uh, put the content. What I'm going to do, you notice over here, there's some images which are generic. They're available to you, and I'll show you in a minute where they are. Um, I am going to delete everything over here, and I'm going to take the content that I created in Word, and I'm going to go back over here to the editor, and I'm just going to put it in here. Okay, so if you're more comfortable, you can do it this way. If you know the editor and you feel better handling it, you can just edit it over here. It's really up to you. And now I'm going to show you how to add images. Images in general, you put the cursor where you want the image. There's the image icon over here, and I'm going to click it. And I have two options. I can browse the server, and each organization has its own set of images, which initially going to have only the generic images. Or you can upload an image. Once you upload the image over here, it's going to stay in your area, and it's always going to be available to you. Every once in a while, we clean up the images, so images that are not being used are going to be deleted, but it doesn't happen every day. In general, to upload an image, you click the upload button, you select an image, and I'm going to select, let's see, I'm going to select this image, and I'm going to upload it, and you give it a second, and the image is there. You send it to the server, and then the image shows up. Okay, I'm going to align it to the right, and I'm going to click OK, and there is the image. Okay, now the same way, if you wanted to create images, a slideshow, you would first upload the image, okay, and then you can just delete it. Okay, and once it is uploaded, it's going to be on the server, and it's always going to be there, and you can add it. So if I click on the button over here, I don't have to upload it again. I just have to come over here and look at the images that I have, and there it is. Okay, and I will align it to the right, and I put it back in there. Now, I'm going to show you next how to add a video. Okay, you click on the phone icon, and over here you have to copy the embed code from YouTube. So I have a video over here from YouTube. I'm going to copy the embed code, and I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to paste it and click OK, and the video is here. Okay, now I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to show you how to add a slideshow. Click on this colorful icon, and you would get the slideshow, and you would have to add pictures. And remember what I said, to add pictures, just upload images anywhere you want and delete them, then they become permanent on the server, and they're available to you. So you click the add button, and there's a bunch of images over here, and I'm going to select this image first, and I'm going to select a couple more. Let's select this one and let's add one more, and we will add this one. Now, I don't recommend adding more than 4 images because slideshows um, very consuming, very consuming when it comes to the number of characters that they use. You have only 10,000 characters that you are allowed to create the content with. It's a large area and it's plenty for your needs. If you don't use more than 4 images in a slideshow, then you're going to be fine. If you create slideshows with 5, 6, 7 images, you're not going to have a whole lot of space to add the content. Images, you can add as many images as you want. They don't take more than 50 characters each. Um, so we have the slideshow ready. What I do is I don't use the show title, I don't use show start stop, don't show the thumbnails, and I don't need it to open on click. I'm just gonna say OK, and the slideshow is now here. Okay, now it may look like it's on the left side and not centered, but don't worry about it. Once you save and add the content, it will go to the middle. Now over here, you need to upload the logo file for your charity. Some organizations have logos in different languages. We'll let you upload the logos for each language. Okay. Now the organization image can. You must also upload the organization image. The organization image is the same for all content. So I'm going to select this one. Okay. So all I have to do at this point is, of course, I got to make sure that the teaser is already in there. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to put the teaser, which will be the first sentence in the content. It doesn't have to be. You can put whatever you want over there. I'm just doing it to save time. Um, the max length of the content of the teaser is 250 characters. So over here I click the add button and the content has been added already. Um, one of the things that you can do, you can come over here to the view button, click on that, and it will show you how the content looks on Termine.net. Okay, so what we just did, uh, just shows up over here. And it's very, very simple. That's it. That's about it. If you need help, we're available on info at amtatech.org, also on support at amtatech.org, and we try to get back to you within 24 hours. So good luck, and we're here to help. Thanks.